ミスティクスプレゼンツヴィンテージクルエジーン USA
Continuing the last episode of Vintage CRUIS'N USA, the mechanic is now taking off the wheels and checking out the brake pads and caliper on my VW Phoenix. It was really dusty. Seems like it hasn't been opened up in 30 years. There's a little hive. I think it's dried out though.
Yeah, that little beehive under there.
Should I pull it off?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's old. I fumigated this right before I brought it to the shop. The bearing didn't even look that bad.
No.
I bought new bearings though, and I brought new shoes. That's what it's called, right? Or pads, right?
Shoes. Same good shape.
Somebody was telling me that Ron might have just not been used to like braking buses, because buses take a little bit more while to brake. But he said that it wasn't working that well.
They might have been a little rusted up too from sitting, but usually they gotta wear in again once you let them sit, you know?
Yeah. Don't look all that bad. Where's the caliber? That's.
I don't have calipers. It's got wheel cylinders.
Cylinders. There you go. And how do those look to you?
They're not bad.
I didn't order new ones, that's why I'm asking.
Good shape still.
Is that I feel like they would be because it wasn't really used. It just sat around. But it's good because I didn't order those.
So you adjust them up and down.
And all that stuff stuck on it is just dirt.
Adjuster through that hole right there. So you get in there and adjust the brakes up.
That's why there's that hole there.
Yeah.
See.
When the drum's on there, you can't get in there, you know, so that hole, you go through that little hole with a screwdriver or something and turn that little wheel.
And what does that do?
It adjusts the shoes out so they're closer to the drums. When you
Brake?
hit the brake pedal, it's, you know, stops quicker.
Oh.
That's probably what needs to be done too. It needs to be adjusted up. Drum brakes, you have to adjust them quite often. Like usually, like every oil change, you need to adjust the brakes up, you know.
I see.
No.
Homie knocked off the second part. She looks pretty worn. Look at these cobwebs and shit. Separation right here apparently is not good. These look glued on. Some dead little pricket there. This is the part that was the problematic area. I want to check that real quick. Since none of the parts have arrived to the shop yet, there wasn't much to be done except take off the wheels. Seeing as he felt like doing it now, we're just gonna leave it like that. Since I had a little bit of time left, I decided to work on the rust inside. Does work, it just doesn't work as fast as the navel jelly.
Hey guys, it's the end of my work day right now. I just tried some of the PR15. Works pretty good, but not exactly as fast as I would like, so I'm gonna use navel jelly and then probably do the metal cleaner again, degreaser, and then probably the PR15 after because it also offers protection, so I'll do that. But not as the forefront for the rust removal. I think it's better as a dip overnight or something. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try that. Either way, I feel like we've got a lot done today. We took off the front tires, we cleaned and adjusted the carburetor, adjusted the timing. All we need is what's missing is the barrel nut. So the barrel nut basically holds the throttle cable to the carburetor, so we cannot move the car without just shaking it all up, so we'll be waiting for that. Hopefully, the next few days I'll be working on the rust inside and around the cabin. Cleaning up, maybe vacuuming, a little cleanup for her little trip to Miami, and we'll be looking for a tow driver. I feel that just a lot of us call somebody to pick me up. Okay, so yeah, I feel pretty good. I got a lot done, so I'm just gonna wash my face, cover up the van.
I've been meaning to update everyone on the next episode of Vintage CRUIS'N USA, but it's been a handful packing and preparing myself mentally for nomadic living, while trying to edit as much as I can to catch everyone up to present time. Although I can't say I'm prepared, I am excited for this change. I feel that this change is much needed, and maybe it's just for the good. At least I won't be bothered anymore by my neighbors about having vintage vehicles. Anyways, until the next time of Vintage CRUIS'N USA, thanks for watching.